Welcome back to Bike Hub. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated electric scooters of the year, the 2025 Ola S1 Pro. Ola Electric has been shaking up the Indian two-wheeler market, and with the new S1 Pro, they've taken things up a notch. From performance to design, features to pricing, everything has been re-engineered to create a smarter, smoother, and more thrilling ride. So if you are thinking about going electric, stick around, because the 2025 Ola S1 Pro might just be the perfect upgrade you've been waiting for. Design and styling. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Ola S1 Pro sports a sleeker and more refined silhouette compared to its predecessor. It retains the curvy, futuristic appeal but adds a sharper edge to its bodywork. The dual-tone color options are eye-catching, and Ola has introduced some brand new shades this year like Cosmic Blue, Stellar Green, and Midnight Grey that make the scooter look more premium and youthful. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the seat, is where the real magic happens. The 2025 Ola S1 Pro comes with a powerful 11 kW electric motor and a larger 4.5 kWh battery pack. This combo gives the scooter a top speed of around 120 km per hour and a 0 to 40 km per hour acceleration in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric scooters in its class. Battery and charging. Battery performance is only one side of the story, charging convenience is the other. The 2025 Ola S1 Pro supports fast charging via Ola's hypercharger network, which continues to expand across India. With the fast charger, you can get about 50% charge in just 18 minutes, enough for around 90 kilometers. Ride quality and handling. Ola has fine-tuned the suspension and chassis setup in the 2025 S1 Pro. It uses a single-sided front fork and monoshock rear suspension which now come with better damping, offering a more comfortable ride over potholes and speed breakers. The scooter feels planted and confident, even at higher speeds. Smart features. Now let's talk about what really sets the S1 Pro apart, the tech. The scooter is powered by Ola's MoveOS 4.0 software, which brings a host of new and improved features. The 7-inch touchscreen display is vibrant and easy to use, now supporting widgets, multitasking, and a smoother interface. Safety and security. Ola hasn't compromised on safety. The 2025 S1 Pro now comes with hill hold assist, traction control, and anti-theft alerts. The Find My Scooter feature is also handy in crowded parking areas. The keyless unlock feature is more secure this time around with encrypted Bluetooth pairing. Plus, the scooter automatically locks itself when you walk away, ensuring peace of mind wherever you go. Storage and utility. Under the seat, you get a generous 34 liters of boot space, enough for a full-face helmet and a few extras. There's also a USB charging port inside to juice up your phone on the go. Variants and pricing. Ola offers the 2025 S1 Pro in a single fully loaded variant, priced competitively around 1.45 lakh rupees, ex-showroom, including FAME to subsidies. State subsidies may bring the price down further, making it an excellent value for money option in the premium electric scooter segment. Competition check. In terms of competition, the Ola S1 Pro goes up against the Ather 450X TVS iQube Scent and Bajaj Chetak Premium. While all of them have their strengths, the Ola S1 Pro pulls ahead with its feature-rich MoveOS, aggressive performance, and extensive charging infrastructure. What's new in 2025? Higher top speed and improved acceleration. Upgraded MoveOS 4.0 with enhanced UI and features. Larger battery with extended range. Faster charging via Ola Hyperchargers. New safety features like traction control and hill hold. Refined suspension and improved ride quality. Fresh color options and design updates. User experience and community feedback. Early buyers and reviewers have praised the scooter for its punchy performance, futuristic dashboard, and hassle-free ownership experience. Ola's community events, ride meetups, and active support centers across major cities have also improved user satisfaction. Final verdict. So, is the 2025 Ola S1 Pro worth buying? Absolutely. Ola has listened to feedback, improved on nearly every front, and created a scooter that doesn't just match EXP.